Hi, I am Joe van Hoven. It's a real pleasure to have you amongst our clients, and I hope you will enjoy working with iBeaken. iBeaken is first of all a platform for creating, managing and sharing stories about works of art, objects, buildings and much more in the museum and heritage field. I will walk you personally through the creation of some stories now. When you first enter the iBeaken website, you are in the management section. This section is completely empty in the beginning. Please scroll down to set the language that you're comfortable with. Now you are in a pole position to start creating iBeacons. Click Make New iBeacon on top right. This is a real exciting moment now, because in a couple of minutes you will have your first iBeacon online. There are different things we need to know about one iBeacon. First and for all, where is it? By default, we'll use your own address, but if it needs to be different, just fill out another address and hit the search button. Let's say we're making an iBeacon about Pudding Lane in London. Hit search. And in a fraction of a second we're at Pudding Lane in London. Now you may want to choose a satellite to position the pointer more accurately, because the location that we're talking about is not exactly where it is. It's more like here. Okay. Or you can even use Street View. Yes, this looks like Pudding Lane to me. Great. Once the positioning is done, you scroll down to the content. In the About pane, you need to fill out some info. Category is absolutely mandatory. Then you can choose the type. The type can only be chosen in the Pro version. Free means that there's no questions asked to the visitor. Account means that visitors will get 2 questions before entering the information. This is done to make powerful statistics. The venue is the name of the venue where the iBeacon is set, and the source of the information is important for copyright reasons. Now, we're all set to start writing the first text. When clicking on Change Title, you will give the iBeacon a title. And after that, you can add the text. This text is maximum 250 words long and can be written directly into the text field or copy and paste from a Word document. You can use bold, you can use links. Okay, now your iBeacon is nearly finished, but maybe you want to add some languages. So beneath you can add the language. I'll make some Dutch, why not? That's always spectacular. In the left side you have the source text, in the right side you're going to start translating. Okay, after saving, you have now 2 languages ready. You can add as many translations as you want. When you're done with the text, you may want to add an image by clicking the camera icon. In the Pro version, you can also upload a video or a sound file. Under the smartphone, you get an impression for which speed your iBeacon is ideal. The more you add features, the faster networks you need. A standard iBeacon is working very good on GPRS and Edge, but with video and audio, you would need faster access like 3G, 4G or Wi-Fi. Stay with us now, we're nearly there. Before publishing the iBeacon, you may want to change the code to fit your image and look and feel, but this can only be done in the Pro account. Click Yes to publish, and your first iBeacon is online. Next to the smartphone, down, you see a new feature, Download Label. Here you can download the label that represents QR code, IB code and NFC icon. Your graphic designer is absolutely free to use this code in layouts and cartel. Now, let's go back to the management pane by clicking iBeacon on top left. As you see here, your first iBeacon is available here. You can see different things: the title of the iBeacon, the code of the iBeacon, the color, the statistics button, and the online and offline button. If you want to edit or re-edit the iBeacon, just click on it and you'll be back to the edit page. Go ahead and try to make more iBeacons. Basically, every object or work of art or building in the world contains a good story. Thank you already for your attention. I hope you will enjoy working with iBeacon. In another video later on, we will explain how you can create clusters.